Miss Martha. My name's Sean here at Tamerlan Honda. Thank you for inquiring on the 2020 Honda Civic. I have one right behind me. We'll show you a couple of highlight features. One, you're going to have the LED daytime running lights. So on a gray day like today, the other cars on the road are going to be able to see you. High intensity halogen lights. You also have the backup camera. You have Bluetooth on this model. And one of my favorite features is right here. That's a radar. It's actually called adaptive cruise control. It will adapt to that car in front of you. So if this car in front slows down, so will your car. If this car in front comes to a complete stop, so will your car. It's a setting just like you would set cruise control. You turn it on and off. It drives just like every other car. But it's pretty awesome, and I want to show it to you in person. Also, you have the lane keeping assist. That's that binocular camera in the windshield, and it does exactly that. It assists you in keeping you in the lane. If you veer too far to the right, it'll put you in the center. It's unbelievable. I want to schedule an appointment, show you this car in person, and do a full demo. My number is 205-965-5788. Again, my name's Sean at Tamerlan Honda.